Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make other try. It is very simple. You can also make other try at home. First take the waste pen and then apply glue to it. And toy car will attach and glue gun. Apply glue gun to the DC motor and attach the motor to the glue gun and assemble as shown in this video. And two toy car will glue gun attach. It is very simple. Connect the negative and positive wires as shown in this video. Assemble as shown in this video. Look, your motor it is very simple. Ready. You can also do it at home. If you have any old trimmer machine near you, you can do it like this. You can get a new trimmer and don't do it like this. Your father will scold you. It's old. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment to let me know how you like this video. May God bless and protect you.